This story was written by Miss Croto's class, and it's called A Perfect Money World. In a perfect money world, since I own the money factory, all the money would be lent by me, Zoe. But in the current funny world, even though I live in a diamond castle, lending money is such a hassle. Woe is me. I'm so glad that I have Barb, Mayor Barb. She's the one they put in charge, in charge. She's the perfect mayor money lender, 'cause me, I'm just the money sender. I send it to Barb so she can lend it to those in need.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Mayor Barb. Another money order for those in need?
In need indeed. All this money is going straight to the folks who need it the most.
I wish I could see the looks on their faces when they get all this money. You'll be sure to lend some to the homeless this time, right?
Uh-huh.
It's my greatest wish that everyone has a good home for all their children.
Absolutely.
And comfortable things
Oh,
inside
yes,
of it.
they're all very comfortable. Thanks again, Zoe. Oh, and by the way, Money Factory's looking a little, shall we say, messed up lately. I sure hope you can keep up with all the money we're gonna be lending soon. Okay, bye.
She's right. What a mess. In a perfect money world, people would stop messing with my factory and let me lend this money peacefully, peacefully. But it's a dirty money world, and that disintegrating wall right there needs 2 very long weeks of wall repair. Not fair. I need someone who has heart, real heart, and they need to be quite smart, quite smart. Someone who looks like a Cheeto but doesn't taste it, 'cause if they taste like a Cheeto, I don't want to waste it. I know who I need to solve this mystery. It has to be Zoe came into my office, and right away I knew she had heart, real heart. The only thing that could make me take on a case like this. I'm Cheeto Cop. I look like a Cheeto, but I don't taste it. If anyone asks, I taste like poisonous fur with venom. And definitely not a Cheeto. I knew what I had to tell her wasn't going to be easy, but the fact was, when it came to who was messing with the money factory, I had my eye on a certain public figure by the name of Barb.
Barb? But that's my favorite person.
But I've caught her stealing money before, and something tells me she's involved. And if my read on Barb is right, then hidden in plain sight, there's a tunnel most confidential to a mansion, quite essential, with an undiscovered basement, which clever Barb likes to call her Masement. So Barb was playing a trick, keeping all the money for the rich, so she would always be their pick for mayor. And in light of this event, we filled her tunnel with cement, and we painted the wall the same old hue, so no one would ever have a clue. Then Cheeto Cop put Mayor Barb in jail. But the way this story ends, Barb stops stealing and makes amends, and she never breaks my factory again. So Cheeto Cop lets her go, and I pay him to guard my diamond castle, so no one ever ruins my things, and everybody sings. It's a perfect money